dear guys, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a new video of hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
You can see on the screen hotel location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address some of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and privileges, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Some hotels are online for this hotel along with various maintenance and payment policy.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.